Merry Christmas. May this season bring you peace, joy, and the warmth of family and friends. Happy holidays. May your Christmas sparkle with moments of love and laughter, and your new year be filled with success. Wishing you a festive holiday season and a new year full of happiness and success. Here's to a season of love, joy, and cherished memories. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Happy holidays. May the joy of Christmas bring you warmth and the new year bring you prosperity. May this Christmas bring you moments to cherish and a new year of endless blessings. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. May your celebrations be as wonderful as you are. Wishing you and your family a very Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Sending you warm wishes for a Christmas full of love and a new year filled with joy. May this festive season bring you comfort, joy, and a renewed spirit. Happy holidays!
All right, so today we're diving into something kind of different.
Okay.
We're going to be looking at Christmas messages,
Fun.
short Christmas messages,
All right.
but we're going to find out just how much
Okay.
meaning can be packed into just a few words.
Yeah.
We've got 5 different greetings,
Okay.
and we're going to unpack those.
Sounds good.
So the first one
Right.
reads, wishing you a Merry Christmas and a joyful New Year. May your holidays be filled with love, laughter, and happiness.
Yeah. This one is a classic for sure.
Yeah, it is.
It's probably one of the oldest ones you'll find.
Yeah, why do you think that is?
I think it really gets at the core of what people want to say
Yeah,
and hear during the holidays.
yeah,
It's like a Victorian Christmas card, you know? It's got that kind of vibe.
right.
Love, laughter, happiness.
The good stuff.
The good stuff, just
Yeah.
the core of Christmas.
Yeah. All right, so
That's next.
let's move on to the next one. Merry Christmas. May this season bring you peace, joy, and the warmth of family and friends.
Ooh, that one's nice.
I like this one.
It's got that warmth to it.
It does, and especially that word peace
Yeah.
stands out to me.
Definitely nowadays.
Yeah. Why do you think that is?
I think people are looking for a bit of peace,
Yeah.
you know, with everything going on.
Uh-huh.
It's a nice contrast to the, craziness of the holidays.
Yeah, like a reminder to slow down.
Yeah, exactly. Slow down, enjoy the time with family and friends.
Exactly.
Peace, joy, warmth.
Yeah, and I like how it focuses on that connection with
Yeah.
family and friends.
That's what Christmas is all about.
Yeah.
Right?